Hey guys, how's it going? Zima here. And today I wanted to make a video about StarMech, something that I have been using for about a month by now, as you can run nodes after you purchase them on your own device, or you can set up a virtual server. And the idea is pretty interesting. They've been growing and growing on Twitter. They're still active. They had their node sale about 2 months ago on March 11th, in which they had the first 3,000 keys sold. Keys, nodes, pretty much the same thing in this case. But instead of having a node as like a single program, you have it so that you can run like 20 of them at once if you want to. The current price for one node is 7 AVAX, or about 0.07 ETH. Once this one refreshes over here, that means give or take $200 per node, 200 to 250, depending on the day, as a few tiers have been sold out so far. Now, what do they do? Why should we give them our money? And why did I give them my money? They redefined ESC 404, gaming experiences on Avalanche, a new level of play where blockchain gaming unfolds in a boundless era. The mission is to revolutionize the gaming experiences, enabling users to play, earn tokens, and collect NFTs simultaneously. We aim to simplify digital game asset management through fractional NFTs, ensuring a seamless Web3 experience without barriers. We heard 20 different buzzwords in that text alone. Here's what that means. When it comes to gaming, wouldn't it be nice if you get paid for that? Yes, you do. That's why we have the earn token thing. Should you collect the in-game items and own them yourself? That's why we have NFTs. Wouldn't it be cool if like a $5,000 NFT could be split among 10 people? Everybody has 1/10 as a share. Fractionalization over there. That, powered by Avalanche and Layer 0, creates StarMech, whatever it's called. I think the entire token supply over here was 220,000. And once you have any of those nodes purchased and running on your PC, you have to download the software for that. The tokens generated are, I think, ST star, something like that. ND star, that's what it's called again. This is like a 1-to-1 packed ratio to the actual token, which means, let's say the token goes live and 50,000 of those ND star have been farmed and aren't redeemed yet. That is missing off the star supply, which then technically increases the price a little bit, or at least makes it less diluted. For the initial token allocation, you see over here, 50% are for the nodes and community owners, so about 110,000, which I think, what do we see again, how many we have? I'm pretty sure it was 220K, but I don't want to spread some false information. It's mentioned somewhere over here. Point is, for the nodes, 50,000 keys can be sold so far. I think about, I don't know, let's say about 10K have been sold, give or take. And over time, this hopefully makes it worth it. We're now in tier 6 based on the ETH cost. So 3 to 8 to 6, maybe like 12 or 15,000 keys have been sold total, which means the project's evaluation is about 6 million, fully diluted variation, as they say over here, 6 to 7, plus additional investors and so on and so forth. Plus, if this bull run is gaming focused, like Alex Becker says, then this is going to go quite well. They also have the testnet, which soon goes into their mainnet, which means for an additional airdrop that might happen in the future, you could, for example, visit the faucet over there for StarMech, and then maybe when the mainnet gets live, get something for that. I also just noticed testnet and mainnet, they have main nest. They have a typo there. Right there. It's not supposed to be. It also says that it's coming soon in March. That has been 2 months since, and they didn't update this page. Maybe somebody should DM them on Twitter over there and let them know about that. That being said, so far they have a bunch of different updates. They have different games that already work on the site. For example, outstanding game features. They have ways to upgrade your weapon. You can get started for free. They have the Frontier Gladiators as the NFTs. And they kind of look similar to Neo Tokyo NFTs by Alex Becker, but overall, cool game. Now, what's the upsides? You already know it. They have a bunch of good things. Fractionalization doesn't exist at 721, but it exists on 404. Look at this, all the green ticks on the right-hand side. To be fair, you could just put 20 different things in there that only ESC 404 does, and then say the other two don't do it. But if we're real here, nobody really cares if this 404, 20, 721. We care about, does the node make money? So far, I generated like one of their tokens out of 220K. And based on how many tokens will be live at launch and whatever, They have about 110,000 tokens, give or take, at launch, at an evaluation of about 10 mil. So 10 million, basic math, divided by 110,000 means one token is worth about $90. I got one token, $90. Now, I got 5 nodes, which cost me about $800. So far, after 1 month of farming, I got about 10 to 15% of my investment back, which means I'm still lacking 85% of my investment. And I'd like to have that back over time. The nodes are all right, but unless you're connected to a virtual server, you have to run the software 24/7 in the background of your PC, and it takes forever to accumulate points. So I like the idea a lot on what they do, but I feel like this is one of the projects where nodes don't make that much sense. I like it still, and I do have 5 nodes. I might get a couple more, but that depends on when they launch, when is the mainnet updated. Are the games actually fun to play? Because so far, this looks like a game I played 20 years ago on my phone. This doesn't really look like something that is made in 2034, especially when you can tell AI, hey, make a game that looks like you played it on your iPod Touch in 7th grade. Still good. I like the team behind it. I like the people. And it's a pretty interesting project. Maybe not the most promising when it comes to making money back, but their heart is at the right place, I would say. That being said, link is down below if you want to check it out. This is not financial advice, as you know. But hey, we'll see how it goes. And until next time, have a good one.